You know, a couple months ago, I did a show, and I talked about people not able to say that they're good or not, or whether you're the best or not. When somebody say, "Are you the best?" Are you able to say, "Well, yes"? I talked about it a lot because it's important to be confident about who you are and what you can do. So being able to look at a client in the eyes, and when they say, "Are you the best?" for you to say, "Yes, I am, that's why you should hire me," is really important, right? Well, oh, by the way, this is Bill. It's his creative license. Thanks again for sticking in. But another thing, a caveat to that is when I see things like those kinds of words on websites and marketing. I'm the best. I'm award-winning. No one is better than me. I'm the greatest. The good thing for us is that nobody looks that up. None of our customers look it up and say, "Oh, well, let's make sure he is," so they believe it. The bad part is that if you are, you are. If you aren't, you aren't. I mean, according to who are you award-winning? I know a guy who put on his website that he was an award-winning DJ because he got a World's Best Father Award. Okay, so technically he wasn't lying, but come on. So, and if you want to be that guy who says he's the best and says that he's award-winning, so what are you doing to go and find that? What kind of education are you taking on to be sure that you can be good enough to get awards like that? And then are you going after them? Or are you just signing up for awards because you can? You really can. And a lot of guys who do it just put award-winning on a regular basis. So what do you do, and why do you do it, and what's important? Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below, and then I'll see you next time on Creative License. Bye.